Trading, scalping, or even longer term investing can be a real roller coaster, but with the right tools, it can also be a solid way to profit. Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful trading strategy that uses only 2 free indicators on TradingView. The best part? This strategy is incredibly adaptable, working on any trading pair and across any time frame. So no matter what market conditions you're equipped to take advantage. Let's see if we can crack the code together. To get started, pull up a 15-minute Bitcoin chart on TradingView. We're going to add a neat little tool called the Trend Trigger Factor TTF. Think of it like a supercharged relative strength index RSI, it's much more precise at spotting key trend changes. Unlike the RSI, which can throw out false signals, the TTF does a better job of picking up on momentum shifts, keeping you engaged in the market when the big moves happen. Of course, no strategy is foolproof, but this one can be a valuable addition to your trading arsenal. Adding the TTF is a breeze. Head up to the indicator section on TradingView, then type in Trend Trigger Factor in the search bar and hit enter. Once you've added it to your chart, let's fine tune it a bit to make it easier to read. In the settings menu, go to the inputs tab. Here we'll keep the default values. They're optimized for most market conditions. Now head over to the style tab where we'll give the TTF line a visual boost. Set the TTF color to green, red, and white to indicate bullish, bearish, and neutral zones. Feel free to play around with the line thickness and transparency to make it stand out more on your chart, adjusting it to suit your personal style. Once you're done, keep an eye on the TTF line. When it crosses above the 100 level and turns green, that's our cue to consider a buy signal. Likewise, when it dips below -100 and turns red, it signals a potential sell opportunity. Mark these moments with vertical lines to easily spot entry points. Before we add our next indicator to filter out weaker signals, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're finding this content helpful. Don't miss out on future strategies. Turn on notifications so you stay in the loop. Now let's add a second indicator to help confirm our TTF signals, the moving average convergence divergence. This classic indicator helps us identify trends, gauge momentum, and spot strong entry points. Add the MACD from the indicator section on TradingView, just as we did with the TTF. With the MACD loaded, open the settings and head to the inputs tab. We're going to set the fast length to 100 and the slow length to 200. These adjustments let us capture both short-term and long-term trends, giving us a broader view of market movement. Be sure to enable the wait for time frame close option as well, ensuring that we only act on confirmed signals. Now go over to the Style tab and tweak the MACD histogram settings. Set the histogram to columns and choose green for the first color, turning off the other 2 colors. Only the histogram and zero line are needed, so go ahead and disable the MACD and signal line options for clarity. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Let's walk through how to use these indicators for a simple buy-sell strategy. For buy signals, watch for the TTF line to pop above the 100 level and turn green. Then check the MACD histogram. If it's above the 0 line and showing green columns, you've got a confirmation. That's your signal to go long. Enter a long trade at the close of the signal candle. Place the stop loss just below the recent swing low to manage risk and aim for a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, targeting $1.50 for every $1 risked. But if you're looking for a way to make way more than that or fully automate it to get the job done while you're away, make sure to watch the entire tutorial, because I've got some awesome gifts for you just before the end of it. For sell signals, look for the TTF line to dip below -100 and turn red. Red check the MACD if the histogram is below the 0 line and in red you have confirmation to go short. Enter a short trade at the close of the signal candle. Set the stop loss above the recent swing high and finally use the same 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Remember, this setup isn't guaranteed to win every time, so it's important to stay cautious. Pairing the TTF and MAC helps to filter out weaker signals, but no strategy is perfect. Before you dive into live trading, take some time to back test this strategy. Test it across different pairs, time frames, and market conditions to see how it fits your style. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. Backtesting gives you insights into potential outcomes and helps you adjust for real-world factors like spreads, fees, and market volatility. If you're ready to expand your skills, check out our other tutorials on advanced Fibonacci levels, strategy automation, and a must-watch viral strategy that's helped countless traders boost their results. And as always, may the charts be in your favor. See you in the next video.